All right, guys, we finally have it here. A roof rack for your stock audio roof on your Defender Limited, your Lone Star editions. That stock audio roof, we now have you thumping. Stock roof rack to go on top. Accent panels that you can see are customized to really pop and set your Defender apart. Cross rails all the way across that are included in the kit, not extra. What is optional here is up front our light bar options. So right now we have the 40-inch slim row light bar here. These brackets will also fit some other 40-inch light bars that are out on the market. We have this nice slim row, keeps it very low profile, still puts out a ton of light. We also have our very popular KC Pro 6 light bar that can go up here as well. So the Pro 6 can go up here. We've got the roof rack, we've got everything you need to really get your stock roof thumping on your Can-Am Defender. Check it out, thumperfab.com or a Thumper Fab dealer near you.